If you drive a 2007.5 through 2018 Ram truck with a 6.7-liter Cummins diesel, you may have heard of a FASS Fuel System at some point, which is why you're seeing this video. Welcome to our ROI series, where we're discussing the potential return on investment for installing a FASS fuel system on specific applications. You've heard us talk about the benefits of FASS, which includes but is not limited to the removal of entrained air and vapor over 99% of the water from your fuel, as well as filtering debris down to 2 microns absolute, which means you can triple the life of your fuel injection system while optimizing mile per gallon, horsepower, and much more. By removing entrained air and vapor from your diesel fuel, your injection system simply stays newer for longer. Fuel is also better atomized across the piston, allowing for proper seating of your piston rings and reduced opacity or smoke output. This also prevents hot spots in the piston with more complete combustion. Speaking of ROI, one of the most frequent questions we get is if installing a FASS fuel system will deliver a noticeable increase in fuel mileage. After all, a FASS fuel system eliminates air, water, and debris from fuel, creating optimal conditions for fuel efficiency. While we can't promise an exact number because fuel mileage increases depend on a wide number of factors including fuel quality, your tracking methods, where you drive, and how you drive, we believe on this application there's 1 to 1.5 miles per gallon to be had, but of course it does vary by the customer. When looking at the long-term ROI of a FASS diesel fuel system on your 2007.5 through 2018 Ram truck with the 6.7-liter Cummins, what exactly do we mean when we say that installing a FASS fuel system can triple the life of your injection system? Well, depending on where you get the parts and who's doing the work, replacing the injection system on your 6.7-liter Cummins can run anywhere from $8,000 to $11,000, if not more, again, depending on how you're doing things and where you find your parts. Which is just another reason to install a FASS diesel fuel system with our million-mile motor. As a reminder, FASS diesel fuel systems are engineered and built to literally outlast your truck. So to triple the life of that fuel injection system through superior filtration and fuel quality is no small matter. Going beyond tripling the life of your fuel injection system, which again can be a massive savings, a FASS diesel fuel system can offer significant savings in terms of basic maintenance. You see, FASS fuel systems are the industry leader when it comes to filtration effectiveness, and they only need to be serviced every 20 to 30,000 miles or 1 time per year if you drive less, again, depending on fuel quality. Over the course of 5 years, again, depending on how much you drive, the filter cost savings alone can add up to a few $100s. And those filters only run about $60 a pair. So for $60 every time you service your fuel filters, you are getting the #1 fuel filter option on the market. On certain trucks, the true OEM replacement can run twice that or more, again, depending on the truck. It's also worth mentioning that FASS fuel filters are very easy to change, service, and prime, usually only taking a few minutes to do. Again, a FASS diesel fuel system will remove over 99% of the water from your fuel using a microglass element, where OEM filters and some other cheaper brands on the market use cellulose filter elements, which are 4 times less efficient. Our research, combined with that of our commercial fleet partners who have put hundreds of thousands of miles on FASS fuel systems, have found again that a FASS fuel system will effectively triple the life of your fuel injection system. Beyond that, our extreme water separator is designed to serve as an insurance policy for your injection system, meaning if you were to fill up with a particularly contaminated batch of fuel with a lot of water in it, our extreme water separator is designed to swell and eventually shut your truck down, preventing that contaminated fuel from reaching your injection system. Whereas cheaper filters on the market or even your OEM filters would eventually allow that water to pass through to your injection system, requiring thousands of dollars of repairs. In the case of having a FASS installed, you simply need to drain your tank, change your filters, and you'll be back on the road. While nobody likes getting put on the side of the road, we promise that changing out your injection system components is a far bigger headache. Going back to our statement about tripling the life of your fuel injection system, where do we get that? Well, according to the Milwaukee School of Engineering, 75% of hydraulic system failures, and your fuel system is essentially a hydraulic system with fuel acting as the lubricant, 75% of hydraulic system failures are due to the #1 fuel contaminant, which is air. And according to Caterpillar, diesel fuel is 10% air when stationary. And that number only grows as you drive down the road with your fuel heating up, sloshing around, eventually reaching a saturation point where it literally cannot hold any more air. As that air passes through your injection system, it can cause cavitation and scoring, metal-on-metal damage, which throws shrapnel through your injection system, causing you to blow out injector tips, leading to poor sprayed patterns, burnt pistons, lost fuel efficiency, reduced horsepower, and more. By removing entrained air and vapor, a FASS diesel fuel system can improve the lubricity of your diesel fuel by at least 10%. In our fleet testing, working with trucks that had seen injector maintenance every 400 or so thousand miles, a FASS Diesel Fuel System, again simply upgrading to FASS filtration, was able to extend that injector life to 1.2 or even 1.5 million miles. And just like we can optimize the reliability of your diesel truck, we can also increase the efficiency of your engine. In testing, we've seen a decrease in opacity or soot output by 30% depending on conditions. For trucks without a DPF, this means less smoke output, and for trucks with a DPF, this means a significant reduction in regens and overall wear on the DPF over the life of your truck. Additionally, producing less opacity or soot also prevents the clogging of your EGR system, which can lead to carbon coating on the cylinders, rings, and pistons, again reducing the efficiency of your diesel truck. This can also reduce the amount of soot found in your oil. For many FASS owners, they immediately notice a smoother, better engine idle with more predictable and stable timing. Another notable benefit of installing a FASS diesel fuel system is a smoother engine operation. Particularly on Class 8 trucks, the reduced mirror shake and vibration due to properly filtered and consistent fuel delivery to the engine. Lastly, let's talk about optimizing cold weather performance, as mentioned before about gelling fuel in colder conditions. Since we're talking about ROI and you can't put a price on peace of mind, the improvements in extreme Arctic conditions can't go unnoticed. Not only is a FASS diesel fuel system better designed to push through gelled fuel, we also have optional electric heater kits. These heater kits are thermostatically controlled, meaning they automatically turn on when your fuel starts to gel and automatically turn themselves off when your fuel reaches operating temperature. This means when cold temperatures arrive, or if you live in a climate where extreme cold is the norm, a FASS diesel fuel system can deliver unmatched reliability and performance at any temperature. By properly filtering your fuel from air and vapor, water and debris, we can triple the life of your injection system while optimizing fuel efficiency, horsepower, throttle response, idle characteristics, and cold weather performance with our aforementioned heater kits. As you can see here on screen, the ROI of simply installing a FASS diesel fuel system over 20,000 miles or a year's time or even 5 years' time is really substantial. Everyone's exact return on investment or ROI with the FASS diesel fuel system will vary, but we can say with confidence this is one upgrade that can very quickly pay for itself and then some. If you have questions about a FASS diesel fuel system for your truck, give us a call, visit fassride.com, shoot us an email, or send us a message on any of the social media platforms you see on screen.